Story.
Yes, we have several, but one that is really, my nephew has been on ADHD medication since he was in first grade. And he has struggled with school his whole time in school. There have been times that he's come to my sister and he's cried and said, when am I gonna feel normal? Because the medications that he was on, he didn't feel normal. And he, 8th grade this year, we put him on in February, and in the first week he had results. He started being able to concentrate and his grades started improving. And he got his first 100% on a test in his first time in his whole life. And his grades improved dramatically, and he was able to graduate and cross the stage, which they weren't expecting him to do. And he's being able to take a class now, starting his high school year, that he wasn't going to be allowed to take because he was going to be taking extra resource classes. So it's been a complete change for him, and he is now only on CBD.